Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your EveryDollar account. To log in and access to your EveryDollar account, the first thing to do is to open a web browser of your preference. Once you do that, go to the URL box and type in everydollar.com and press enter. You will end up in the official site for ramseysolutions.com, from where you will need to select the sign in button at the top right hand corner. To log into your existing account for EveryDollar, you will need to enter your email address followed by your account's password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. Once you type in your correct credentials, that is your email and password, click on Sign In, which will then log you into your EveryDollar account from Ramsey Solutions. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.